What's up, everybody? It's your boy Imra B from the 313 coming at you with another one. First, I want to start off by saying God bless everybody. Thank you for watching here, and let's get this show on the road. Right now, today, we just got this packaging, and it's the Mortal Kombat 1 Collector's Edition. As everybody knows by now, I collect all kinds of goodies, especially fighting games, Mortal Kombat, and whatnot. I get all the collector's editions. So this is just the other one. So without further ado, let's get her open. Of course, I'm always doing things opposite. Okay. Turn label, we don't need that. All right. It's a pretty nice big box here. Wow, bigger than I thought. All right, man. Come on. My apologies. My apologies. It's snug in there. All right, let's flip this box over. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. This is the back of it right here. So this is going to be the Liu Kang statue that comes in it. And I don't know what that's I think I don't know what that's going to be. Whatever. So we got Katana and Malina, Sub Zero, Cyrax, Scorpion, and another. So the old school. That's Invasions game and whatnot. And blah, da, 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 da. Okay. Let's turn this over. Just a plain right here. Okay. Then this is a sleeve, so we'll take off the sleeve. This is a very nice box. Very nice. Okay. Warning. This is not a toy. All right. Of course not. It's a collector's item, not a toy, ladies and gentlemen. An expensive one. All right. So upon opening, wow, that's nice. Look at this art. You get a poster of Liu Kang. This is nice. Is it? Is that what this is? Let's see. What poster is it? Was it open? Yeah, it opens. Okay, so this thing. Oh, it's a bunch of. Okay, I see it. They got the dragon. So this is Liu Kang, and this is the dragon. Okay, and then we have. Oh wow! All right, so put this on the wall like that with Liu Kang's picture on there. Okay, I see where they're going with this. I see where they're going with this. Is there a fourth? No. Okay, so you got three cards here. All right, we'll put these on the side. Then you have, of course, the game. And let's open that up. And then right here is a steel case and a little bag, which that looks pretty cool. But let's get the game open first. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. PS5, of course. And this is what it includes. It includes the Mortal Kombat characters, iconic guest characters, 5 new cameos, 1 week early access to DLC characters, John Claude Van Damme skin for Johnny Cage. Okay, so then for pre-ordering it, you get Shang Tsung as a, I don't know why he's a bonus. Should have been somebody else. Let's see here. Collector's edition, limited edition, Liu Kang. In-game color variant, course figurine. All right, so this is what, proof of authentication, maybe. Man, I don't know. Is this numbered? Collector's edition includes 2,700. La 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 la. All right. So that's that. Put that back. Then you get the steel case. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. Oh, it's nice. Really nice. Matches my other Mortal Kombat stuff I got over there. So I collect all the Mortal Kombat collector's editions. I got them all from way back till now. So this is when you open it. Nothing in here. I don't know why they got 2 slots for when there's only 1 disc, the game disc. Okay. So put this bad boy back in here. We'll just deal with that later. All right, so we got a bunch of foamy stingies. Get this out the way. Get this out the way. Oh man. Oh man, this looks nice. Oh Nelly. Okay. Let's get this out the way for the grand finale. Okay. Wow, this is big. This is a beast. Alright. Alright. Okay, more foamies. Man, they got a lot of foam in here. I like the extra protection. That's how you know it's not a toy. Oh, there I go. Messing things up. Alright. Alright. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. Before I do, let me just move this guy out the way. All right. Okay, here's the bottle. It's not numbered though. I don't like that. All right, let's take. Man, it's a beast. Liu Kang. I like it. I like it a lot. Man, that's messed up. Why isn't it numbered, guys? Should have been numbered. Man, you sure there's no number on you? Alright, not numbered. That sucks. Anything else? No, that's it. That's the box. Alright. Garbage. Okay, so let's put it back. Man, I can't believe it's not numbered. Very disappointing. Put you back in this beautiful box. I don't know. Some of this stuff ripped, so I don't know how this goes now. But there you have it, guys. The Liu Kang Collector's Edition Mortal Kombat 1. Once again, thank you for watching. Till next time, peace. Now it's time to play the game.